and I'm from Team Cyber. Our team worked on the game nuts and bolts. When making our game, we wanted the controls to be easy, just the directional keys and the spacebar. Thanks to our art team, we have a beautifully constructed arena for the survival game we were aiming for. In our game, a man was taken by the government to be part of Project Update. Project Update is a program in which the government turns all living things into robots. During this procedure, Dexter escapes as a cyborg. He then fights his way to be human again. We have 3 types of enemies in our game. The first is Nutty the Squirrel. As you see here, Nutty is really fast and there's a lot of them. He's got low health and low attack, so he's not much trouble. Ryder is our balanced enemy robot. He's got medium health and medium attack. He goes much slower than the squirrel, so many people are easily attacked. Every single thing in this game was constructed individually by our team, the art team, the programming team, and sound engineers. You hear the sound? It was all made by each individual in our groups. Our last enemy is Jet. Jet is our most powerful enemy. He has the most health and has ranged attacks. He's not to be messed with. We need this key later on for a door. You will notice all the enemies follow and attack you. Each are individually powered by a script, which is numbers and codes to make the computer run right. You can see that the controls are easy and fluid. We just use the directional keys in the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. Some enemies are a lot harder to kill than others. Everything in our game can be destroyed. The tables, the chairs, the beds, and the desks all are programmed to be destroyed on contact with shooting. There's 3 main rooms in our level. We have the hospital, the dining cafe, and then the junkyard that we're about to see now, right through this door. You see, they come in more of a wave form, so that it's easier to attack them. Also in our game, we have health. You have to have health. If you die, you restart at the very beginning of the level, so it's much more difficult to play through our game. There we go. This is our game. We're going to show you the credits real fast and show that part of our team that worked on it. Thank you very much.
Yeah! Right there! Right there!